can see my face right now only because of the table lamp that's sitting right now and emitting light on my face. Light is something we all know and helps us immensely throughout our entire lives. And we also know that light always travels in a straight line. But why is that? Well, light always wants to travel super fast, so it chooses the fastest path. In a uniform or homogeneous habitat like air or vacuum, it always travels in a straight line since that's the shortest path to reach the place it wants to be. Well, even though light is a wave, its wavelength is around 400 to 700 nanometers, which is much smaller than everyday objects. That's why it does not bend around any obstacles unless they are smaller than the nanometers itself. As for the view of the quantum mechanical view, QED, it says that light actually explores all paths, but the waves that go through the straight path actually support and strengthen each other, while those going on a curved path cancel each other out. And we have proof that light always travels in a straight line because it always makes sharp edges because it cannot bend around certain things. That's why its shadows are always sharp. And you may remember from your science textbook that if you place three cardboards with each of them with a little hole in it and keep a candle behind them, you can only see them if they are in a straight line. Even if one moves, you will not be able to see the light. And that is just one of the easiest ways to explain to someone that light does in fact travel in a straight line. But there is certain exceptions, like when light is being changed from one medium to another. For example, from air to water, it changes because the speed of the light changes. But once it's settled inside the new medium, it again starts traveling in a straight line. And of course, planets can bend light, and this is because of their mass, and light follows their curved path in a way of gravitational curving. And of course, if light is seen through a slit that is smaller than its nanometers, then it will actually fan out instead of being in a strict straight line because it's smaller than its nanometers. So even though we all enjoy the benefits of light, it's important to know that what are the exceptions and non-exceptions of it traveling in a straight line, because of course light is a really fascinating topic. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I make videos like this daily, and who knows, maybe I'll see you in my next one.